Hey, man. Hold on. Say, man. What it do, pretty boy J Squad?
Got on by the baby Birkin. Fuck the good and got our legs hurting. Found a wave and got no M's early. Southside nigga from the dirty. Paranoid, I keep a loaded 30. To kill the fam so we don't gotta worry. Young gunner wanna jump their head first. From the streets and finally found my work. Killed that nigga, left on dead dirt. Took his body, now the Cooper hearse. 250 in his man purse. Feel like diamonds dripping off my damn shirt.
Yes, sir. Hey, man, we back in this thing with another banger video. Hey, before we get into this video, I need y'all to do three things. I need y'all to like, comment, subscribe. Hey, like, comment, subscribe. Hey, Yes, sir. So, hey, we starting this new series. It's called Cooking with Swervo. Hey, so basically, I'm finna show y'all what's going on, what we finna cook. So, without further ado, let's get into it. Hey, so bet, you feel me? Check out the drip. Oh, but bad, you feel me? So, we got right here, we got some chicken wing. You know what I'm saying? Oh, yeah. Like I was saying, we got some chicken wing. We boiling them, so you feel me? You gotta put your thing on 6, right? Put your thingamajig on 6, right? And then put some water in there. And then put it on the stove. Let it sit there for a couple minutes, let it get hot. Then you put your little chicken wings up in there. Put your little chicken up in there, bro. And then you season the water, so finna show y'all what's going on. So we already put seasoning salt and garlic salt up in there already. So you feel me? That's already good. So the next ingredient, go put some lemon pepper up in that thing. Yes, sir. Right, lemon pepper ain't coming out, bro. Yeah, there you go. Just like that. Then what else we gonna put in there? Oh, we're gonna put some black pepper up in that thing. Yes, sir. Alright, so once that's done cooking, that's gonna take like an hour and 30 minutes, you feel me? But we're gonna make some, not sweet pea, but green bean. We're gonna make some green bean with it, you feel me? So it's gonna be real good. So look, I'm gonna get back to y'all when it's done, or I'm gonna update, you feel me? So it's like 11:18 right now, so about 12:30 it should be done. So I'm gonna get back to y'all. Okay. Yes, sir. So it's 11:41 right now, you feel me? Chicken looking mighty good, you feel me? I know it's on the top, but no, it's not done. Unless you want some another part, but you know it's not done right now. So that look good though, boy. That chicken right there, boy. Can't nobody cook like Swervo. You feel me? Yeah, so that's a little update, you feel what I'm saying? Going pretty good right now, you did. So I'm probably finna put the top on top of it, cause that's wet. Yeah. I'm trying to make sure, you feel me, it good, it right. I don't know where the top is. Yes, sir. Bam, straight like that. Turn it down a little bit, turn it down from 6 to like 5. Just let it do this thing. Hey man, if y'all made it to this point, look, make sure y'all like the video, bro. Comment something, I don't care if it's a thumbs up. Comment something, cause what? It's a whole new series, you know what I'm saying? Let me know if y'all want to see more videos like this. Let me know what y'all want to see so I can make them for y'all. But yeah, I'm gonna get back to y'all in like 30 minutes, 35, so I bet. Hey man, look, man, look, hey man, look. Y'all rate my drip. No, I think I'm rocking a 25. 10 out. 1 through 10, I'm rocking a 25. I broke the scale, bro. Y'all like the drip. You feel me? Do-rag, hat, book bag, simple, swervo stuff. You feel what I'm saying? But look, right now, it is currently 12:34, and I'm finna show y'all what the chicken looking like. So big.
12:34, y'all can see. See, I look kind of good right though. I ain't gonna cap to y'all. So, it's not done. We gonna wait till like 1 o'clock, and then we probably gonna start cooking the green beans around 1:50, something like that. So yeah. Ooh.
Alright. So it's 1:03 right now. You did what I'm saying. Chicken done. Turned it off. I'm gonna let that, you know what I'm saying, just marinate, cool, chill, you feel me? So that's off, you feel me? Now we're gonna start on the green bean. So basically, into a little pot, put the little front iron thing on like 5, 6, cause you know what I'm saying. They ain't gotta be cooked, they just gotta be warmed up, you did. So I got my water, put that in there, let that heat up a little bit. Gotta open the can, you know what I'm saying? You feel? Baby, bro, so. Open this up. Nigga, I just thought about something. I opened it, got this stuff all on me, and this ain't even the right stuff, cuz. I'm slow, bro. That wasn't even the right stuff. My bad. That was the sweet pea. My bad. Nah, this the one that I was supposed to be opening and get it all on me and stuff, so. Let's try this again. I'm so slow, bro. So bad. Let me wash the top off. Always wash the top off or you can. So, gotta wash that off real quick. Open it up. Open up a little bit so you could so you get the little water out that thing. You did what I'm saying? So, get the water out. And rinse them off. Don't know where they been, how long they been. You did. So, alright, now they good. After we just got down, rinse them off and stuff like that, clean them off. So you just dump them into that thing. Yeah. Just like that. Alright, now gotta season it. So get garlic pepper, put that in there. Gotta grab this water. You know what I'm saying? Your blue bunny, you did. Get your little knife. Gotta throw some butter in that thing. Put like 2 or 3 on them. One more. Wait, so let that marinate in there. Add some black pepper. Hey, bro. I'm gonna let y'all know right now. Y'all need to go ahead and start calling me Chef Swervo, bro. I'm just letting y'all know, bro, because your boy can righteously cook, bro. Stop playing me like I can't. So, put your little black pepper in there. I don't know about y'all, but I like lemon pepper on everything. So, put put a little lemon pepper in there. Not too much, not too much. I'm like, so there now, let that marinate. And put some salt in there. Not too much, not too much, not too much. So, basically, what it look like right now, you feel me? It's cool. And yeah, I'ma just add the top on it so it can, you feel me, do what it do best. And yeah, so that's gonna be like another 10-15 minutes. You know what I'm saying? Wait on that. Yeah. So right now we just chilling, you know what I'm saying? It's gonna be done in a little bit, you feel me? 5-10 more minutes. Nah, bro, look, it always happen when I cook, bro. I cut myself, bro. I don't know if y'all can see that, but it bleeding. So yeah, I'm finna go put a little band-aid on, but yeah, we're just gonna let it cook for a little minute, and we're gonna be back. You did. Ay. Okay, bet. I added my extra touches, my garlic salt, and my lemon pepper on the chicken. You know, you gotta get the reds and the Kool-Aid. Hey, you already know what's going on. Hey, man, it looks sweet down on my mom. Hey, man, this the finishing, you feel me, finishing touch. Yes, sir, I did that, you know what I'm saying? Give me my props. Look, if you stayed this long in the video, I just want to tell y'all I love y'all, man. Hey, make sure y'all tell y'all mamas, y'all aunties, y'all grandmas, y'all cousins. Tell them to come over to Pretty Boy J channel and hit that sub button. Hey, man, I really can cook. I do this for real. I mean, you feel me? Nigga, I do this, you hear what I'm saying? Hey, man, if y'all enjoyed this video, hit that like button, you feel me? Y'all want to see something? Leave that comment, you feel me? Y'all let me know what y'all want to see and I'll make it for you. And that's my promise. Hey, man, I love y'all. Y'all stay up. Y'all keep doing what y'all doing. Y'all keep grinding. We out this thing. Gang.
Fuck the good ain't got our legs hurting. Found a wave ain't got no M's early. Southside nigga from the dirty. Paranoid, I keep a loaded 30. To kill the fam so we don't gotta worry. Young gonna wanna jump their head first. From the streets and finally found my worth. Killed that nigga, left on dead dirt. Took his body, not a Cooper hearse. 250 in his man purse. Feel like diamonds dripping off my damn shirt. I got